Hello everyone! How many times have you clicked accept all on a cookie banner without reading it, or scrolled through terms of service that might as well be written in another language? As designers, we have the power and responsibility to change this. Today, we are diving into ethical design, what it means, why it matters, and how to design for consent and transparency without sacrificing usability or business goals.
By the end of this video, you will have actionable guidelines and best practices to create designs that prioritize user trust, respect, and autonomy. So let's get started. Ethical design is about creating products and experiences that respect user rights, prioritize their well being, and promote transparency. It's not just about compliance with laws, it's about designing with integrity. And there are three principles of ethical design. One of them is consent. Users should have control over their data and actions, no hidden tricks or surprises. Another one is transparency. Information should be clear, honest, and easy to understand. And of course, accountability. Designers are responsible for the choices they present to the users and the outcomes they lead to. Ethical design isn't just good for users, it's good for business. And building trust leads to better retention, higher satisfaction, and stronger brand loyalty. But before we talk solutions, let's address the problem. And the problem is dark patterns. These deceptive practices manipulate users into actions they didn't intend, like subscribing to a service or sharing more data than they're comfortable with. There are common examples of dark patterns, and one of them is forced continuity, when free trial automatically convert to paid subscriptions without clear notice. Also, roach motel, it's easy to sign up, but nearly impossible to cancel. Also, of course, trick questions when confusing language nudges users into unintended choices, and of course, hidden costs, surprise fees at the last step of the checkout. If you wouldn't want the same experience as the user, don't design it. Empathy over metrics is a good rule of thumb. Here are 6 guidelines for you to create ethical designs that build trust and respect user autonomy. One of them is designed for clear and informed consent. Use plain language for consent forms and cookie banners. You should offer granular options instead of binding everything under one button. Try to write terms of services and privacy policies in plain language with icons and summaries, and use progressive disclosure. Present key details upfront with an options to expand for more. And tools like Plainly can simplify legal content while maintaining its accuracy. Also use neutral language and visuals. You should test designs with diverse users to ensure no one feels coerced. Please conduct an ethical design audit to identify and remove potential dark patterns. Also, allow users to easily unsubscribe, cancel, or delete accounts. Use clear confirmation dialogues. Provide an easy path to recover lost data or undo accidental changes. Also, respect user privacy. You should minimize data collection and be transparent about its use. You should explain why certain information is needed and try to review your data practices regularly for compliance and ethical handling. Also, ensure interactive elements are keyboard accessible. Use alt text for images and sufficient color contrast and readable fonts, of course. Don't forget to test your designs with accessibility tools like, for example, Axe DevTools or Wave. And here are some tools to help implement ethical design practices. Some of them evaluate your designs against usability and ethical standards, also help you to learn to spot and avoid common dark patterns. Automate ethical cookie banner designs and guide your team through ethical decision making. Please share these tools with your team to foster a culture of ethical designs. But let me share with you a real life example. A fintech company I work with wanted to simplify their loan application process, and we noticed that the default settings pushed users towards higher interest rates without fully explaining the cost. And instead of ignoring this, we redesigned the interface to provide clear comparisons and let users choose based on their needs. And the results, user satisfaction increased by 25% and trust rating improved significantly. Ethical design proved to be a smart business move. Ethical design isn't just about compliance, it's about creating experiences user feel good about. Let's actually put it into practice, and I want to give you a challenge. So please audit one of your designs for ethical issues this week and look for anything that might confuse, coerce, or mislead users and brainstorm how to fix it. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge of success with ethical design. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with someone who cares about creating user-first experiences. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.